Industrial automation and test and measurement solutions are necessary in the manufacturing industry. To learn more specifically about flow measurement, we visited Georgia and met with a company that combines superior technology with engineering service, project management, and maintenance. Yokogawa Corporation of America. Founded in 1915, Yokogawa embodies their core principles of placing quality first, having a pioneering spirit, and contributing to society and the future of our planet.
Yokogawa is a leading provider of industrial automation and test and measurement solutions. Our goal is to contribute to society in many different activities of measurement, control, and information exchange. We were built on the founding principle of quality first, and our customers can depend on that fact that our product's going to meet the published specifications as well as last a long time. And our brand is built on trust. Trust to our customer as well as trust to our organization, which has led to us having many long-term employees.
With their manufacturing setup utilizing the Kanban system, Yokogawa provides Japanese quality made in America.
Yokogawa provides lifecycle services across all our products and solutions. Any instrument returned to our Georgia facility receives a white glove inspection until it's returned at near new condition. This is what we would expect from Japanese quality made in America. Yokogawa has provided innovative sensing technology for over 100 years. Our measurements range from pressure to temperature to analytical to flow. Our goal is to provide high accuracy measurements that can be used to ensure high quality and safety in production sites.
Yokogawa has embraced the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, caring about their community and the planet. And with their team and unparalleled customer service, Yokogawa makes quality a priority.
The Yokogawa flow calibration system is unique in the fact that we use a primary, not a secondary, dynamic weighting system to calibrate our units. This sets our flow meters apart in the fact that we have direct traceability to national standards and better overall system accuracy. Yokogawa manufactures the world's greatest flow meters using our patented dual frequency excitation method. This technology achieves noise immunity, fast response time, and higher accuracy. Our flow meters are USA-built, Yokogawa design with quality first.
Providing innovation and excellence to their customers, Yokogawa Corporation of America is one of the world's greatest.